Welcome, future millionaires and master builders of destiny. If you are a Capricorn, listen carefully, because the days between April 29th and April 30th are not just ordinary days. They are cosmic blueprints laid out specifically for you to engineer your future wealth. Today, we're diving deep into the science and energy behind three powerful numbers: 8, 17, and 29. 8, the infinite engine of wealth and unstoppable success. 17, the transformational blueprint that elevates your reality. 29, the structural code that locks in resilience, empire, and generational wealth. Think about it. Engineers don't build skyscrapers randomly. They draft detailed blueprints, choose the right materials, and calculate every angle with precision. In the same way, writing these numbers on your hand during this special window programs your mind, body, and energy field to attract massive success with engineering precision. This is not about luck. It's about conscious design, strategic alignment, and bold action. Your hand becomes the drawing board. Your mind becomes the architect. Your actions become the builders of your golden empire. So grab your pen, set your intentions, and get ready to activate the millionaire codes written in the stars and written on your own skin. Let's engineer your destiny, because your future isn't found, it's built. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'll explain exactly how and where to write these numbers for maximum power. Let's get started. Lucky number 1, 8, the engineer of infinite wealth. In the realms of numerology, engineering, and success psychology, the number 8 stands as a timeless symbol of abundance, mastery, and transformation. It's not merely a number, it's a system. A perfectly balanced cycle that mirrors the very laws of energy conservation known to engineering and science. For Capricorns, the zodiac's architects and builders, embracing the energy of 8 between April 29th and April 30th is like activating a personal powerhouse of limitless wealth and achievement. Let's break down why 8 is your ultimate engineer's number for wealth creation, and exactly how to use it to design your millionaire destiny. 8 as a self-sustaining wealth system. From an engineering perspective, the most impressive structures and systems are those that operate efficiently with minimal input, producing maximum output. These are known as self-sustaining systems, closed loops where energy is preserved, amplified, and cycled without loss. Similarly, the number 8 functions as a metaphysical closed loop. When rotated horizontally, 8 becomes the infinity symbol, infinity, representing continuous flow, endless resources, and unbreakable cycles. This endless movement mirrors the ideal flow of wealth, money coming in, multiplying through smart investments or innovation, and then cycling back to create even more opportunities. Capricorn, as an earth sign ruled by Saturn, naturally understands the importance of structure, systems, and sustainability. Therefore, when you write 8 on your hand during the critical cosmic window of April 29th to 30th, you are aligning your energy field with the universal principles of perpetual growth and success. Mechanism of action. How number 8 works on multiple levels. For Capricorns aiming to engineer millionaire futures, understanding how 8 influences reality is crucial. Here's how it functions. 1. Energetic resonance. Every number has a vibrational frequency. According to the law of vibration, everything in the universe, from tangible matter to intangible thought, is in constant motion. The number 8 vibrates at a frequency closely aligned with prosperity, authority, and financial mastery. During April 29th to 30th, astrological conditions amplify this frequency, creating a wave of abundance across the energetic field. Capricorns who anchor this vibration by marking 8 on their skin will act as conductors, absorbing and resonating with this high-frequency energy. Think of it like tuning a radio. If you're tuned to the right frequency, abundance, you'll receive the corresponding broadcast, wealth opportunities. Second mind reprogramming. In engineering, control systems often use feedback loops to adjust and optimize performance. Your mind operates in the same way. When you see the number 8 repeatedly on your hand, it reinforces a subconscious belief in your capacity for success and wealth. This constant exposure initiates a positive feedback loop. You feel wealthier, you act more confidently. Others perceive you as more successful. New opportunities emerge, you gain real wealth. Cycle repeats. Over time, this rewiring of your subconscious mind makes you naturally gravitate toward choices, behaviors, and opportunities that compound your financial growth, exactly like a well-designed self-regulating system. 3. Social feedback. People pick up on subtle energetic shifts. When you carry the confident, self-assured energy tied to the number 8, your environment responds accordingly. Others may start treating you with more respect, offering better opportunities, or showing greater trust in your capabilities. It's akin to signal transmission in engineering. When your wealth signal is strong and clear, the responses you get from the world are exponentially better. Application: how to engineer wealth using number 8. Now that you understand the mechanics, here's your step-by-step protocol for applying the energy of 8 to your millionaire journey. Choose your tools wisely. Use a blue or green ink pen. Blue symbolizes wisdom and expansion, while green is universally tied to growth, prosperity, and luck. These colors amplify the wealth frequencies you're channeling. Select the correct placement. Draw a clean, clear number 8 on the inside of your wrist. This spot is critical. It's close to major veins and energy points, making it a high conduction zone for energetic transmission. Engage the power of repetition. Every time you catch a glimpse of the 8 throughout your day, silently repeat an affirmation such as, "I am wealth, I am success, abundance flows to me endlessly, I embody infinite prosperity." Visualize the flow. Close your eyes for a few seconds and visualize money, opportunities, connections, and resources flowing toward you in an infinite loop, just like the shape of 8. Act in alignment. Be open to acting on opportunities, making investments, networking, and taking calculated risks during this period. Remember, manifestation requires action to materialize fully. Real-world analogy: becoming your own power plant. Think of yourself as a wealth power plant. Drawing the number 8 is like installing a new turbine, one designed to capture the universal flow of abundance and turn it into real-world success. The initial act, drawing the number, is the engineering design phase. The consistent observation and affirmations are your power generation phase. The tangible opportunities and wealth you accumulate are your distribution phase. By understanding and applying these engineering concepts spiritually and practically, you are not just wishing for wealth, you are building it with the precision of an expert engineer. Lucky number 2, 17. The blueprint of transformation in every major engineering feat. Whether it's constructing a skyscraper, launching a spacecraft, or building a bridge, success begins with one essential tool: a blueprint. A blueprint is more than just a plan. It is a detailed map of intention, guiding each stage of development, ensuring stability, and aligning complex components toward a singular, powerful outcome. Similarly, in the energetic and metaphysical world, the number 17 acts as the cosmic blueprint for personal transformation. And for Capricorns, the zodiac's master planners, embracing the number 17 between April 29th and April 30th offers the rare chance to draft and activate the design for millionaire-level success. 17. The fusion of new beginnings and spiritual growth. The energy of 17 is not random. It is a synergistic combination of two powerful forces. One stands for leadership, new beginnings, independence, and assertive action. 7 symbolizes spiritual awakening, intuition, inner wisdom, and lucky breaks. When combined, 17 becomes a master number of manifested transformation, where ambition is guided not just by hard work, but by higher inspiration and cosmic alignment. In engineering terms, it's like merging two cutting-edge technologies to create a groundbreaking invention: practical precision plus innovative intuition. Capricorns, known for their reliability and preference for proven systems, can sometimes be reluctant to venture into unknown territory. However, writing 17 on your body acts as a coded reminder that evolution often requires stepping slightly beyond the boundaries of comfort. Mechanism of action: how number 17 engineers your future. The effects of number 17 can be broken down into 3 core engineering principles working within your subconscious and energetic systems. 1. Spiritual engineering. In the world of construction, the foundation must be built before the structure can rise. Similarly, 17 builds a spiritual foundation under your material goals. It fortifies the invisible infrastructure that supports visible success. By integrating 17 into your energy field, you bridge your earthy ambition, Capricorn strength, with higher-level intuition and creativity. Instead of relying solely on logic or effort, you begin to receive inspired ideas, gut feelings, and serendipitous opportunities, subtle but powerful guidance systems designed to lead you directly to wealth. 2. Momentum, acceleration. One of the most important principles in mechanical engineering is momentum. Once an object is moving, it requires less force to keep moving and more force to stop it. Manifestation operates in the same way. Writing 17 on your hand is the small initial act, the push, that sets massive momentum in motion. It signals to your subconscious and the universe that you are ready for radical positive change. Over the next hours and days, this momentum gathers speed, creating an energetic snowball effect that leads to bigger and faster breakthroughs. Like an engineer designing a rocket, you're creating thrust, starting with intention, fueled by energy, and launched by belief. 3rd, decision reinforcement. One overlooked aspect of manifestation is the thousands of small decisions made daily. Should you answer that call? Should you attend that meeting? Should you take a risk on that opportunity? When you have 17 written near your pulse point, it acts like a microchip installed in your decision-making system, constantly prompting you to make choices aligned with your highest potential. This subtle influence turns ordinary moments into extraordinary stepping stones, stacking small yes decisions into a major life transformation. Much like how small, precise adjustments stabilize and strengthen an engineering project over time. Application: installing number 17 into your personal system. To fully tap into the transformational power of 17, follow these precise application steps. Select your ink. Use a golden or orange ink pen. Gold resonates with success, abundance, and royalty. Orange stimulates creativity, enthusiasm, and forward movement. These colors are known for enhancing manifestation and wealth attraction. Choose strategic placement. Draw a small but clear 17 near the pulse point of your hand, where you can easily feel your heartbeat. This placement symbolizes life force flowing through your personal blueprint, keeping it active and dynamic. Integrate with daily decisions. Every time you touch or see the number 17, use it as a trigger to ask yourself, which option leads to my highest wealth potential? What decision today builds my future success? Visualize structural growth. Imagine your life as a skyscraper being built. Each positive decision, each new opportunity, is another steel beam locking into place, creating a structure that is both magnificent and unstoppable. Lucky number 3, 29, the structural engineer's secret number. In the world of civil engineering, strength, resilience, and longevity are non-negotiable. It's not enough to simply build. Structures must be designed to endure, surviving external pressures, time, and unforeseen challenges. In the metaphysical landscape, the number 29 carries a similar role. It's the structural engineer's number for building a life empire that withstands the test of time. For Capricorns, who are natural planners and builders of legacies, 29 is more than a number. Between April 29th and April 30th, it becomes a powerful blueprint for creating wealth that isn't just momentary, but generational. 29. A fusion of partnership, wisdom, and transformation. The number 29 is a dynamic fusion of energies. 2 represents partnership, diplomacy, cooperation, and emotional intelligence. 9 symbolizes completion, wisdom, humanitarianism, and major life transformations. Together, these digits create a powerful, energetic force. 29 is about building wisely, partnering strategically, and finishing cycles to make room for higher achievements. In engineering, critical load calculations ensure that a bridge doesn't collapse under stress. Likewise, in life, the energetic forces of 29 help Capricorns calculate what structures, relationships, investments, habits will carry them safely across life's pressures into long-term millionaire success. Mechanism of action: how number 29 stabilizes and elevates you. The power of 29 operates on several interconnected engineering principles within your subconscious and energetic body. 1. Karmic engineering. In advanced engineering, failure analysis is vital, understanding old flaws to build better, stronger systems moving forward. Similarly, 29 operates as a karmic engineer, helping you close outdated life chapters and launch stronger, smarter beginnings. In April 2025, the cosmic weight behind 29 is significantly amplified. Writing 29 on your body acts as a karmic reset switch, signaling that you are ready to evolve beyond past mistakes, delays, or limitations. You're not just chasing wealth anymore, you're building it based on hard-earned wisdom and strategic placement. Write the number 29 along the outside edge of your palm, the side facing outward when you stretch your hand. This placement bridges your external actions, reaching out, building, leading, with your internal foundations: strength, wisdom, resilience. Visual engineering. Every time you flex your hand, gesture, or even shake someone's hand, visualize signing contracts for multi-million-dollar deals, walking through properties you own, leading major companies, seeing your name on foundations and scholarships. Feel the pride, the security, and the quiet authority of already having achieved these milestones. By marrying the visualization to real-world action, you are executing a structural reinforcement program inside your personal energy field, just like reinforcing a skyscraper's internal framework for greater heights. Final thought: from dreamer to architect of destiny, the number 29 is not about wishing. It is about engineering your legacy. Where others dream, you build. Where others hope, you calculate, act, and endure. By activating the energy of 29 during the powerful window of April 29th to 30th, you solidify yourself not just as someone who attains wealth, but as someone who sustains it, multiplies it, and eventually becomes a legend. You are not just building a future. You are constructing a fortress of success, one that will stand proudly for generations to come. And it all begins with 29 written on your hand and determination written in your heart. The days between April 29th and 30th are not just ordinary dates for Capricorns. They are cosmic launchpads engineered for transformation. By writing the numbers 8, 17, and 29 on your hand, you are not merely wishing for wealth. You are consciously designing it into your future. Each number carries a distinct engineering role. 8 fuels infinite wealth and sustainable success. 17 drafts the transformational blueprint for evolution. 29 secures resilience, endurance, and long-term empire building. Just as engineers meticulously plan and execute projects that stand for centuries, you must act with precision, clarity, and boldness. Your hand becomes the blueprint, the generator, and the receiver of your millionaire destiny. To maximize this powerful window, set a clear intention before writing the numbers. Maintain a positive, focused mindset throughout April 29th to 30th. Act quickly and decisively when opportunities arise. Capricorns are born climbers, built for reaching peaks. Now, you are called to engineer and construct a golden empire at the summit. Your millionaire future starts with 3 simple numbers. The universe has opened the gateway.